So I just got this nail filer. It's super awesome. It comes with like all of your little accessories and they just pop right on. These are kind of more for like buffing your nails and smoothing them out. And then these guys, like these ones on the side, are kind of more for cleaning up your cuticles and like the outside of your nails. This guy, you put these like sandpaper things on it and that will like really file your nails really fast. You just put it right in here. And you guys, like, my favorite part about this is it's USB, so I can put it like right into my laptop. Obviously you can use whatever power adapter you want with it, but I think it's really convenient that, you know, if you're working from home, you can do it at your desk and kind of do it in your downtime. Here is the switch. So up is like forward, and if you go all the way back, it goes in the reverse direction. So it's good for if you're left or you're right-handed. And then it's got a dial that puts the speed up and down. When you're just starting out and learning how to do it, I suggest putting it on the lower setting, and then you can kind of like work your way up. But it files your nails really fast. And I've just started powder dipping my nails at home, and it's so good for getting in like the like right around your cuticle line. When you powder dip them, you know, it can kind of get clumpy. This is perfect for it, like especially these little tools. Like, it'll save you so much time. This is a really handy tool to have, and especially for the price, like you're not gonna find anything better. And you notice like this is all the way up as loud as it goes, and it's still really quiet. And unlike other ones that I've used, it doesn't get hot. So this is a really good one. I'm a big fan.